NBC TV 18 exclusive, giving a boost to the infrastructure sector in the country. Russia, in partnership with India, will jointly invest about $1 billion in diverse infrastructure projects in the areas of energy, petrochemicals and transport, amongst others. CNBC TV 18's Rituparna Bhuyan caught up with the CEO of the Russian Direct Investment Fund on the sidelines of the BRICS Summit. So let's just hear him out.
First of all, we believe that creation of a Russia-India investment fund is really a very important outcome of discussions between President Putin and Prime Minister Modi. And frankly, investment and infrastructure are big themes at BRICS meetings that are happening here today. And first of all, we applaud the creation of NIIF, because we really needed a partner in India that we can work with, a government-backed partner. And RDIF is an example that such systems work, because we were able to create and attract lots of capital into Russia by creation of RDIF, and we are confident that NIIF will be able to attract lots of capital into India. So we're interested to invest in infrastructure and other sectors of the Indian economy. We believe it provides a huge opportunity, and many Russian companies are already investing and actively participating. You know about Rosatom project that already has built 2 nuclear power plants and is building 2 more. So we'll be targeting companies that are interested to work jointly in India in construction of energy facilities, including small hydro plants, in construction of other key infrastructure areas.
Right. So from what we understand, the way you guys work is that you bring in a ruble and you then ensure that other investors put in around 10x that amount in the kind of projects that you participate in. So going by your participation here with this fund here, how much projects do you think you will be financing in the near term?
Yeah. So we believe $1 billion funds that we created will unleash about $10 billion of investment, mostly into India, because we'll be bringing Russian companies to participate, Russian banks, also I'm sure Indian partners from private sector would want to participate. And we already are looking at 20 different projects. Most of those projects do have a Russian component. So it's a Russian company that wants to come and invest in India, share its technology, and really believes in the great Indian market.
Right.
And we are looking in oil services, we are looking in petrochemicals, so pretty much in a wide variety of sectors in India.
Right. So while you are, as of now, focusing in the infrastructure sector, would you also, going forward, look at participating in other sectors in India through other routes, not only through this fund?
Yes, and by the way, we treat infrastructure very broadly, because we believe that even petrochemical and other things are part of energy infrastructure. So I think we are not going to treat it very narrowly. Our goal is to have, 15 to 20 investments done in the next 3 or 4 years that really showcase Russia-India cooperation, that create growth stories in India. So we'll be very broad even with this vehicle.
Right.
But we're also open to participate in all sorts of sectors of Indian economy. We really very much believe in technology sector that is growing very fast, and in other sectors as well.
So you have already participated in and have cooperation with certain Indian financial institutions. You have it with IDFC and SBI and even Tata Power. How has this arrangement worked, and what have you done till now as far as these 3 institutions are concerned?
Yeah, so we are very much fortunate to have those relationships, and we are finalizing some of the projects with them. I think when you have a new relationship in a new country, it sometimes takes a longer time to get it up and running. And for example, even this NIIF fund has been 3 years in making, really lots of discussions, etc. So we are finalizing several transactions, actually not only in India but in Russia with those funds, and we expect to announce them in the beginning of next year. All I can say is that a big area for us is a small hydro generation, where we believe Russia has huge expertise and India has huge potential. So one of the first deals may be in that sector.
All right, then plenty of stocks moving around actually.